It stays grey and gloomy out there as the week draws to a close. A little drizzly rain here and there with a thicker cloud, but better, brighter skies return as we slide into Saturday. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Again, extensive low cloud shrouding Britain and Northern Ireland. Little change there. And the misty low cloud giving very grey, gloomy skies this afternoon. The thicker cloud providing a little drizzly rain from time to time, a little dull and damp for some of us, with some showery pulses in the west and some steady rain across the far northwest of Scotland, with some mist and fog, particularly across the highest ground. And temperatures remain on the low side, but not quite as cold as the last few days. Through this evening and tonight, we'll see showery pulses of rain sliding from north to south, misty low cloud here and there. And behind the cloud, clearer skies and just a slight patchy frost for Scotland. Not quite as cold as the last few nights. Here, better, brighter skies into the new day, otherwise staying a little grey. A very good evening to you. Misty low cloud again for a time overnight. We've got some drizzly rain here and there, but better, brighter skies return as we slide into the start of the weekend. A system moving its way from north to south will introduce much clearer conditions as we move into Saturday, and then a few showery outbreaks as another system rolls its way from north to south. With it, much milder air, double figures return to many locations, and just a few showery outbreaks and some steadier rain into northern Scotland. Here, quite brisk winds. Further south, staying a little calmer and a little quieter. Through the night, misty low cloud once more, some patchy drizzly rain sliding its way from north to south. Behind this, clearer skies into Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland, dipping temperatures. Just a slight patchy frost in places, nowhere near as cold as recent nights. And just a few showery outbreaks around those coastal fringes as we head into a new day. And something of a split setup into Saturday morning with the early cloud and patchy drizzly rain across the southeast for those up bright and early. Behind this, much better and brighter, sparkling sunshine, beautiful blue skies. It will be weak winter sunshine for all of us, but even so, a big improvement on recent days, looking a little more cheerful out there. More cloud cover across Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland later in the afternoon. The first signs of some steadier rain in from the northwest here, a bit more of a breeze, some misty low cloud and some hill fog. And staying quite chilly to the eastern side of Scotland. For the rest of us, nowhere near as cold or as chilly as the last few days. Much milder into Sunday, double figures return, but a good deal of grey, gloomy sky once more.